By December 27, Bitcoin may be up 0.9% based on CoinCodex analysis. Before we begin, let's take a moment to look at the chart. Bitcoin's price is up 1.5% in the last 24 hours, and it's currently at around $88,837.20. Let's move on to analysts' forecasts. According to CoinCodex, we might see the price approaching $89,612.13 by December 27, roughly 0.9% above today's value. Bitcoin may strengthen toward $89,421.24 per digital coin price, showing a gain of about 0.7%. Gulf Capital Collector points out the chance of reaching $88,567.54 lower, a projected loss of 0.3%. A separate analysis by CoinLore suggests Bitcoin could retreat toward $88,245, roughly 0.7% lower. And to wrap up, 30 rates highlights a drop to $86,632 by tomorrow, 2.5% below the current level. This is the most profitable opportunity we've covered. You've seen 5 opinions for tomorrow. Let's take the next step. The forecasts are laid out. Now let's examine the key figures. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a drop of 2.5% to a rise of 0.9%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that 30 rates predicts the highest return with 2.5% gain in value by December 27. After adding it all up, you could take in between $3 and $25 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, Gulf Capital Collector is leading the field with a forecast that carries a 82.9% chance of success. Using the input of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined a consensus view. The average outlook points to Bitcoin moving to around $88,495.58. Let's get into the weeds a bit. The consensus scenario sets the price 0.4% below where it is now. This path implies your capital might also advance by 0.4%. On a 1,000 position, this might represent $4 gained. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Bitcoin is about 82.2%. At this moment, let's examine the short-term 3-day views. CoinCodex highlights the likelihood of a climb in price. A bullish track is likewise suggested by digital coin price. Additionally, Gulf Capital Collector anticipates further appreciation for Bitcoin. CoinLore suggests calm conditions with prices steady. A decline is anticipated by 30 rates, with bearish pressure in play. By aligning the individual forecasts, the consensus indicates Bitcoin showing upward movement throughout the 3-day period. From this overview, the majority conclusion is that Bitcoin will lean upward over the coming 3 days. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Today we look at them in detail. As a result, yesterday's chart closed at $87,216.70. In the end, just 2 of 5 were correct about the move. Judging by accuracy, CoinPrice Forecast had the most exact forecast. Time to sort through the results more carefully. Yesterday's candle showed 2 forecasts inside. Speaking of ROI, gains appeared across several forecasts, and CoinCodex came out ahead with 0.4%. Now appearing on screen is the full results overview. All forecasts fact-checked. As for CoinCodex, the data shows 0.4% ROI and accuracy. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Now we'll see how Bitcoin stands in tomorrow's expected returns compared with a few others. Bitcoin isn't on top in this comparison since optimism currently leads with 5% potential growth. For now, Bitcoin is analyzed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The wider profitability comparison and analyst accuracy records will soon be added to my website and Telegram. If you're taking Bitcoin regularly, leave a like to get more updates like this one. Alright, bye now.